Okay guys, we're here, Victor's repair shop, the next stop, and hopefully this truck will be like new in a couple days. Alright guys, welcome to day 2 of our rebuild project. It's the weather is really crappy outside, but it doesn't stop us, and we brought the truck to Victor's body shop, and now we're gonna inspect the damage and see how bad it really is, or how good, we'll see. So let's talk to the expert over here. Mr. Victor, the magic man. Where is he? Oh, here. Senor, good morning. All right. So, what do you think about this? I know you don't know exactly what's going on, but do you think it's going to be a big problem or no?
No, I don't think so.
Something minor, right?
Yeah.
All right, nice. So we're going to take off the fender and all the other stuff, and we're going to inspect it and see what's going on. See you guys in a few minutes. There is no damage underneath, which is nice. The structure is good. So we're just changing a couple little pieces over here, and then Mr. Victor will start painting everything and put it back together. So this truck is going to be like new in like a few hours. Or maybe a day or two. See how it looks. Victor did amazing job on the bodywork. Look, very clean, very nice. Missing a couple pieces like this little grill right here is missing, but we're gonna put it in. Other than that, the truck looks absolutely beautiful. Can't believe it was damaged. Look inside, pretty much brand new. Still smells like new. It only has 7,000 miles, guys. This is the area where the damage was. I don't know if you can see because the sun is really bright right now, but as you can see, everything is fixed. This truck is ready to go up for sale, and in the moment I'm gonna walk you through the numbers, and I'll show you guys how much it cost us to rebuild this truck, how much the parts cost, labor, and we'll see how much it cost us after everything is said and done, and if it was worth it for us to do it or not.